Verified team sorting fact from fiction when it comes to all those viral videos.
Yes, take this one from Nature is Scary on Twitter from Monday, claiming to show a 50-foot anaconda swimming across a Brazilian river. I'll agree, that looks too scary. But something in this video should tell you there's something off. If you look at the top left corner, you can clearly see a road up ahead, not a river.
Yeah, we also found a video from April 12th, 2018. For those that don't speak Portuguese, the title reads, Giant Anaconda Crossing the Road. Here's the deal. If you take the vertical video, stretch it out, it makes the snake look a lot bigger.
Tricky there with camera effects, so we can verify this claim of a 50-foot long anaconda in Brazil. It's real.
I've actually done stories about anacondas, and I knew they get big, but not that big. You still don't want to grab them. Is there something you want us to check out? Shoot us an email to verify@ktrue.com.
அங்கிட்டு தள்ளி நிக்க என்னடா ஸ்பீடு பிரேக் மாதிரி போகுது அப்படி பாத்துக்கிட்டு நிக்க உள்ள இருந்து அடி வருது எங்க வா சரி வேண்டாம் விட்டுருங்க விட்டுருங்க வேண்டாம் உள்ளோட தான் போகுது
memasuki jalan ke pondok tempat tidur.
Anyway, what do you think? Is this a big anaconda? She's pretty good size, huh?
Gol.
This viral video showing an anaconda eating a cow is getting big attention. But something feels oddly off about it. You know, it's not moving, it's flipped on its back, its mouth's gaping open, like maybe it's just hanging on by a tooth. So if you're watching this video and you think the snake is dead, hit that like button and let me know.